Assalamualaikum टाटे बच्चों इस पर आज फिफ्थ मैथ अच्छे टॉपिक area and it is boundaries अच्छे पर question number 4 if a dimension of a rectangle are 20 centimeters and 10 centimeters find the perimeter of a rectangle इसलिए को solution गोब्रियो length 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 of a rectangle 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 is equal to 20 centimeters chose 20 centimeters go breadth 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 of a rectangle rectangle b is equal to 10 centimeters perimeter chaise barabar perimeter perimeter chaise barabar perimeter of a rectangle chaise barabar twice length plus breadth go twice twice 80 into length kedra length is 20 centimeters plus breadth is 10 centimeters so go twice into 30 to go 30 centimeters 30 into 2 goes 60 centimeters 60 centimeters back question number 5 was kubrio if a perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeter and it is 10 centimeters wide if a perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeter a rectangle perimeter 60 centimeters and its width is 10 centimeters yes centimeter find the length tel catch is length as like a solution gubrio width of the rectangle or a ctng width chat 10 centimeter perimeter perimeter of a rectangle or a ctng rectangle is equal to 60 centimeters go as to length is equal to twice length plus breadth is equal to 60 centimeters so goes length plus breadth go 60 but 2 so go 2 30s are 60 centimeters go therefore length plus 10 centimeters is equal to 30 centimeter go length is equal to 30 centimeter minus 10 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter 20 centimeter 20 centimeter you go ऐसे ब्याख सवाल आज गए अमज़ इंशाल्लाह करो बेग दो बेसा बाकी वसल्लम